Okay, so while building this computer, the most expensive case was this MSI case. And yet, this is the worst case I've ever built into. I mean, the worst case. My point is, they kind of figured out how to plug in an SSD caddy because number one, I couldn't even put it in without the plastic thing bulging out. What the frick? This thing right now is mounted sideways. I don't know who designed this, but this is the worst design ever. This case cost $65 and it was the most expensive on Black Friday. The case feels like an air-cool bolt, so my advice is do not buy the MSI the Mag Vampire 100R or 100L. This is the garbage case. This is shit. Fuck you, MSI. You make garbage products. Fuck you. Okay, so I can't even turn this computer on. So this computer is actually dead. For fuck's sake. Anyway, I'm gonna take this computer back apart again and use the same that I did on the $1,000 New Zealand dollar PC, which is the egg carton method. Can I turn this motherboard CPU and RAM on with an egg carton? Okay, so I think I found a short circuit here. There you go, that's a short circuit. Anyways, I'm gonna try to fix this short circuit by disconnecting it. I believe this is what's causing us our computer not to boot. Problem fixed. Let's see if this thing still boots. Let's go easy, bro. There you go. Computer turns on. It was just a short circuit. Currently, PC is still on the egg carton. PC works fine. We're in the BIOS. I don't have any keyboards right now, but I think this PC is gonna be fine. And reinstall my M.2 SSD and my RAM, and hopefully we can build it back to our MSI case and have a fully working gaming PC. Okay, so currently trying to figure out how much profit I made, but I ran into an issue. So pretty much on the latest computer we just sold, I had a GTX 980 in that computer. The issue about that GTX 980 is that it was technically my GTX 980, which I then swapped out for a 980 Ti. So pretty much, as I said in the previous part, I bought a 980 Ti for $350. So that's $350. And then I swap it out with graphics card, cost me $325. So is that so does that mean the GPU costs $25 technically? Because it doesn't really. I don't know, but I'm just gonna ask you guys, to be honest. Where's my phone? Okay, so this is another 14-year-old kid selling an RX 570. Currently I have to give his parent a call, I guess, to tell him that I'm not a scammer. I'm not going to meet in a park because meeting a park is very sketch. Hello?
Oh, yeah.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good too.
That's good. This is about the graphics card, right?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Are you guys interested? Because honestly, because I'm 14, my parents don't really want me giving the address and stuff.
Yeah, okay. Yep. But whereabouts are you located again?
Flatbush area?
Flatbush area, okay, yeah. Yeah, that can work.
Yeah. Okay, what time can you guys come? Because I'm after 11, I'm pretty busy.
I can literally just hop in the car now and go. So.
Oh, yeah, that's amazing.
I can leave around around about 10, most likely, yeah. So,
I didn't hear you, sir. Can you repeat that?
which path are we going in?
It should be called. Let me put on Google Maps real quick. It's like Cyril French Park, but
Cyril French. Oh, my friend lives there. Well,
oh yeah, it's like on
French Park.
Bron.
I think
I can send you a screenshot of where the park is if you like.
Cyril French.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll call you at 10 o'clock and like, just tell me like where you at.
Yep.
Like if
Yep.
you're still at home, if you're on the way or something.
Yep.
Alright, that's sweet.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye. I guess we're picking up an RX 570 for $280. Not the worst deal, not the best deal, but heck, I need graphics cards.
Hello?
Now turn right onto Chapel Road.
Where are you?
Chapel Road.
Oh, okay, that means you're not too far.
Yep,
So I'm gonna get my way over there now.
yep. I'll be there very soon.
Do you just wanna park like right in front of the park, like where you can see the swings and all?
Ah, yep.
Sweet. What car are you guys in? So I don't
A red Tesla Model 3.
Oh, what's that?
My grandpa knows this car. Anyways. Okay, so this is apparently an RX 570. It doesn't have any labeling that says it's an RX 570, but this is the Radeon version with a blower style card with the Sapphire one. So there's a Radeon version which has a Radeon badge on it, and it has a but this is a Sapphire version. When we get home, we're definitely gonna give this thing a clean. Also gave me the modular power cable for it. I don't know why, but anyways, let's head home.
So currently we are back home, and since we just bought the RX 570, which is currently on my shelf, which we'll test later, but right now, so yesterday we sold the computers, and one person had to come back to get this RGB fixed, and this is it. This is this Coolmoon controller. It has issues. I had to go back to North Shore to get this controller replaced, but it's not really worth it for me just to drive to North Shore just to get one controller replaced. So pretty much, since PC flipping, I don't intend on what do you call it? I don't intend on stopping PC flipping. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to North Shore. I'm gonna buy another 10 sets of 3 fans, controller, remote, LED strip for $400. Hopefully he takes that deal. Apparently shipping's going up, but hopefully since I'm a repeat customer, he takes that deal. Anyways, let's hit the road.
Currently, we just bought some Coolmoon RGB, another 10 sets, because I feel like I'm gonna keep doing PC flipping. So that's another 10 sets. One thing is there's some changes to the Coolmoon remote, which is different. You see that? It's a different remote. I'll show you an older remote when I get home. But anyways, I'm gonna go home because currently right now it's raining. Also, he gave me a bunch of more screws, which will be very convenient while installing these. Anyways, let's head home.
Okay, so we're back home, and currently, yes, look at this. This is our box of pretty much RGB. We've got 10 controllers. This is the old remote, and this is the new remote. You see that? Look at that. The buttons are, this one's white now. These are blue. The actual red, green, and blue, there's actually a label that says red, green, and blue, so that's the differences. But anyways, so we also bought the same RGB fans. Always like this. But anyways, from before we got this RX 570, it is the Radeon version. What we'll do is we're also going to test this out, and that means we'll have 2 computers done by today. Hopefully I can list all these computers so they'll be ready to be sold for tomorrow. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. Comment down below what do you guys think about the deals that I got today. I definitely went a little bit excessive on the Coolmoon RGB and paid maybe a little too much for an RX 570. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. I got fucking scammed. Like, what the